mathematicians! Today we are working on lesson 5-10. We are learning how to add and subtract decade numbers. The word decade means a period of 10 years. In today's lesson, we will define decade as the numbers that we say when we are counting by tens. To start today's lesson, let's review the meaning of 10 partners. 10 partners are two numbers added together to equal 10. Please take a moment now to pause the video and write out the numbers from 1 to 9 and figure out what can be added to them to equal 10. When you're done writing out your 10 partners, this is what your answer should look like. If we wanted to know how many tens are in 100, we can use a 100 grid. A 100 grid shows the numbers from 1 to 100. Please count by tens with me as I mark off each column. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. How many groups of 10 did we count? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We counted 10 groups of 10. There are 10 tens in 100. We just learned that there are 10 tens in 100. So now we have 10 sticks to show 100. We can use these 10 sticks to solve problems involving 100. Just like we have 10 partners, there are 100 partners. That means we have two numbers that add together to equal 100. If we wanted to solve the problem 90 plus 10, we can use our 10 sticks. Please count by tens with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We counted by tens up to 90, so we have 9 sticks. Let's count on from here. 90, 100. 90 plus 10 equals 100. 90 and 10 are 100 partners. Let's solve 80 plus 20. We can use our 10 sticks. Please count by tens with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We counted by tens up to 80. That means we have 8 10 sticks. Let's count on from 80. 90, 100. 80 plus 20 equals 100. 80 and 20 are 100 partners. Another strategy we can use to help us solve is Math Mountains. Math Mountains show the relationships between the partners and the total. It can help us add and subtract. It can also remind us to use addition to check our subtraction. Let's make a Math Mountain for the numbers 10, 7, and 3. 10 would be at the top of the Math Mountain because it's the largest number out of the 3 we have here. And it's also the total of 7 plus 3. 7 and 3 would go at the base of the Math Mountain. We already identified one relationship, 7 plus 3 equals 10. Another one is 3 plus 7 equals 10. And we can take the total, 10, and subtract that by one of the partners. If we choose 7, then the answer equals the unused partner. 10 minus the partner 3 equals the unused partner 7. Let's make a Math Mountain for the decade number 80. I know that because 5 plus 3 equals 8, the partners for 80 are 50 and 30. As you can see, the base numbers in 80, 50, and 3 are like what we see in 5 plus 3 equals 8. So that means if 50 and 30 are added together, according to this Math Mountain, The answer, or total, is 80. 30 plus 50 equals 80. And if I take the total 80, subtract it by a partner like 50, the answer is the unused partner, 30. 80 minus the partner 30 equals the unused partner, 50. Before we end today's lesson, let's talk about the number 0. 0 means no things at all. So when you add or subtract 0 from a number, the number does not change. 70 minus 0 equals 70. The 70 stayed because we took nothing away. If we have 70 plus 0, the answer is still 70. Again, because we didn't add anything to 70. Even if we put 0 at the beginning of a number sentence, the answer will still equal the partner that has a value. 0 plus 70 equals 70. But what about 20 minus 20? What does that equal? Well, we are subtracting a number from itself. So it equals 0 because you took all of it away. To finish up today's lesson, please work on Student Workbook page 259 and 260. Thank you.